just created this link tree so it's easier for you guys to contact me. You can do so through my Instagram or my crypto Twitter that I've just recovered. If you want to support me as a creator, you can do so over here and just send in a thank you message. We'll start off by zooming out on Quant on the daily time frame. We're still under the bear market box, so we're expecting bearish pressure, sorry. We're still within the massive descending triangle or dead cat bounce scenario, which we mentioned ever since the November FTX capitulation down here. We were saying that pretty much because of how deep this went down, that any pump up could just be a dead cat bounce. And this pump's target is between 150 and 160. But can go up all the way until $190 up here, the 786. Can you see the 0.5 basically 150, 618 basically 160, and the 786 at basically 190. So we need to clear all three of these, and we are yet to do any of them because the 160 top over here is on that 618 fib exactly, which is the most retraceable zone for the golden pocket. Now if I flip this upside down for you and we were under here and we're coming into this resistance and we break above it and flip it into support, we would say yes, we're going back, of course holding it support here, forming this double bottom. We're coming back towards this resistance over here, so that would be the target of $100 when we flip it back upside down. Now we won't go lower than $100 and meet this target. We won't go to this target lower than $100 as long as we stay above that, basically. And we have targets to $100, not beyond it. So here you got a $99 target. That's $1 below. Let's just pretty much say 100. Even if you hit that target, you can easily just close above 100. But anyways, if we were to lose it, I've already prepared you over the last week. You got a target down at $45. We do not want this to be the case for the bulls. I really actually don't care, to be honest. I really don't care. If it goes down, great, I'll accumulate more. If it goes up, great, I'll accumulate more. Any price underneath the all-time high is a great buy. So even if you're buying $400 quant, that's incredible because one day we're going to be at 1K, 2K, 3K, 4K, 5K, and he's buying at 200 or 400 or 300. You know, does it really matter, guys? So no, and we're not anywhere near 200, 300, 400. We're at $125. So again, this should be great opportunities. I don't know how there could be arguments that it's not as well. Yes, we could be coming down below 100, and if that's the case, amazing, we will. But there's no confirmation that we will go lower than 100 and head towards 50. Do you understand that? Right now we have a target to 100. Just because it's a target doesn't mean it's 100% going down there. In the last updates, I've drawn this golden pocket here for you, which is actually a key area of support. It means that this is where we should be bouncing from. We've just tapped it for the very first time in the last few updates. So we came down to the 0.5 fib, about $124, $125. A nice psychological level that, if you remember very correctly, from up here when we did bottom out in November, we were talking about the 382 fib and how just underneath the 382, actually no, it wasn't this chart, it was the other chart. So let me go to the better quant chart with better data. Look at this low over here, that wick low, and you can see that 382 was pretty much sitting nicely on 125, and that's where we were struggling to break for a long time. And you don't even have to go deeper to the golden pocket, but it is the most retraceable level. It is the level that we go to most of the time. But yeah, you can just stop at the 382 and head down. So that's why I was preparing everyone back here. If we lose $100, this validates further downside, but no loss of 100 equals no downside. There's a double bottom here and one here, and we met the first target out of this one, the body target, just like that. So we met that target over there, but we did not meet the target that's coming from the wicks, the more aggressive one. Can you see that? So we're still yet to do that. Look at the target, $190. Where have we been calling ever since November? The deepest that we can go up, the furthest that we can go up before having a big correction is 190. But yeah, the most common between the golden pocket, basically. So this is what we've all, basically exactly what we've been saying ever since November, but there's always been bickering in the comments and all of that about, yeah, it doesn't matter. But all we're doing is retracing back down to $100. It doesn't mean it's a guarantee. The last few updates we were talking about $126, which is this 200 EMA. we're playing around with it. Can you see there's a lot of manipulation at the moment? We're closing below, we're rejecting the top, closing below, then we close back inside. Right now we're going down, but it's not the daily candle close, so we can't even make a judgment off today's candle. But yesterday's, we're rejecting resistance, although we reclaim this level. It's not very clear, is it, guys? So let it just play, let it just do its own thing, let it just sort itself out. I can make it a little bit easier for bearish continuation, lose this $124 psychological level with a daily candle close. That's pretty much gonna make it easy for you guys, yeah? So right now we're trapped between 126 and 124, but it is support. It's support and resistance. The bottom here is support, the top here is resistance, shown by the green and red line. But the box itself, this whole area itself, is actually support. It's just when you close below this red line, the red line acts as resistance, this acts as your support. You're stuck within this, but if we are above it, it should all be support. Do you understand that? And even if we do lose this, we got this big golden pocket of support. We've even got a target down here saying we could be coming towards $115, tying up so nicely with the 618 target, $1 lower. If it's $1 lower, I really don't care, because it just means you're going to come tap it and you're still going to close above that, basically. So it would be the same situation down here. The target is $1 lower than the key psychological level. We don't want to lose. That's, for me, totally fine. For you, yeah. For you, it's whatever, but that's how I've been doing it 4 years now. I'm completely, totally fine doing it like that. But yeah, we want to invalidate this descending triangle, this head and shoulders pattern over here. And the only way to do so is by holding this green box as support, holding this larger golden box as support. And can you see this red box over here? We need to take it out. So a price movement or something like this, where you can see this low. Can you see that low over here with the body candle closes? What I'm actually going to do is mark that out. There we go. So what I would like to see is price now holding this support, reclaiming this green line, taking out that red box and the yellow line, and we're heading back to our highs, 160. But guys, this is resistance. We're under our bear market box, so we should just be expecting suppression, pressure downwards, and pressure downwards to where? To this point over here. We have targets lower than that, but this is, for me, where we must bounce. Otherwise, we are definitely going to 100. We must bounce from 100, but again, it's getting weaker and weaker. The lower it keeps going down, basically. So at all costs, stay above 100. Right now, I would love to reclaim 130 and then break through this yellow line pretty much at around $137. This is what we need to see for the bullish continuation or reversal, bullish reversal. But for the bearish continuation, which we have validated bearish targets for, again, let me just show you. So let's just take it to the neckline and say it's a head and shoulders pattern, or you can just, yeah, still a descending triangle, but we'll just use the bodies as the neckline and not that $126 wick. So from this neckline at 131, we've got a target down back towards $100, and look exactly onto that 786. So it's showing us targets. You know, maybe it is the more aggressive one where it goes down to 99. That's fine. That's $1 below 100. We know just 100 needs to hold. Where are we right now? $125 from $100. That is, of course, 25% up. And yeah, simply just, that's all we need to do. Just, we need to spot these reversal candlestick patterns in this area over here for us to reclaim $131, that green line. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's quant update. If you want me to teach this, I'm going to play a little clip now. But if you want to talk to me before you take action, head over to my Twitter or Instagram. I'm going to show you how to do that. But if you just want to simply buy it without even talking to me, head over to buy me a coffee. It's all linked underneath this video in the description, as well as the first comment underneath the video. It's all there. You just click those links to contact me or to take action. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and comment for the algorithm boost. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. So I'll quickly show you guys how you take action, whether you want to support me or take action on the course or the mentorship. Simply hit this link tree over here on my homepage. It will then take you to over here where you can obviously just come from my YouTube. This is my crypto Twitter. I've just got it back, so help me reach 2,000 followers over there. I will be doing a 5,000 subscriber giveaway for my course over there. Free course giveaway will be on my crypto Twitter, so make sure you're following me there. I've just opened up an Instagram for anyone that's not on crypto Twitter, or not on Twitter, sorry. For those that just have Instagram, you can private message me over there to get started on the course or the mentorship. You do get the chat with both options as well. If you just want to support me as a creator, that's through here. But going back to my homepage, you can just simply click the Twitter button here, just to quickly go to Twitter, or you can click this section. Now, this section is a little bit different. Again, you can buy me a beer if you want. I know a lot of you have said that in the past. We're going to bookings over here. You can get the one-to-one mentorship, it goes through it, as well as the crypto course over here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you do like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next update. Peace.